Hello viewers, once again welcome back in our new video. In this video, we'll discuss one of the important topic or one of the important modification which is available from the 1st October 2024. So basically today's topic is IMS, that is Invoice Management System in GST from 1st October 2024. Basically IMS that is Invoice Management System introduced by GST department. Basically in this system the taxpayer should report of IMS to GST department. If they not, then they have to pay penalty. Basically in this video we'll discuss three major points, which are: the first one is what is IMS, second how IMS reporting should be done, the third and major one, what is the penalty for not submitting the report of IMS. So guys, without wasting your time, let's start the video now.
Hello viewers and students of AITCS. In today's video class we are going to discuss one of the important topic, that is IMS, Invoice Management System. You must be aware that from October 2024 GST department has introduced a new system which is called Invoice Management System, which is to be reported to the GST portal. As said earlier, in this video session we shall discuss three important points regarding this topic. First one is what is IMS, Invoice Management System. So students, Invoice Management System is a information based system where the registered taxpayer shall be able to choose input tax credit when ITC will be selected. After that will be reflected in GSTR 2B. Secondly, we shall discuss how IMS reporting should be done. You know that the supplier files GSTR 1 or GSTR 1A within the relevant time period or within the due date. After that, the input tax credit travels to the GSTR 2A. Now from the October 2024 onward, when the filing of GSTR 1 or GSTR 1A closes, then in the dashboard, after login to the GST portal, the registered taxpayer shall see one more dashboard, that is called IMS. When the taxpayer shall click on IMS dashboard, there will be auto populated of all the purchase invoices on that dashboard. The taxpayer has to do whether the invoice is correct or not, whether there is eligibility of ITC or not. Based on that thing, he has to exercise three options: one, accept, reject, or keep pending. When accept option is exercised, the input tax credit shall be transferred to the GSTR 2B. When rejected, the ITC shall not be traveled to GSTR 2B. When it is keep pending, then it will be automatically carried forward to the next tax period and it will be credited to the GSTR 2B when it is treated as accepted, when acceptance mark is given over the IMS. Now come to the last and important factor, that is what is the penalty for not submitting IMS. There are various doubts among the taxpayers or registered persons. They always confuse whether there is an extra burden of compliance in the form of IMS. The government has clarified that submission of IMS is totally voluntary basis. The taxpayer may or may not submit IMS to the GST portal. If any person does not exercise IMS, then the input tax credit which has been appearing in GSTR1 by the corresponding supplier shall automatically be travel to GSTR2B. So, in concluding, we can say that invoice management system is an interface between the supplier and purchaser. From October 2024 onward, after login to the GST portal, you shall find one more features called IMS. When you click over this, you will find that purchase invoices shall appear automatically. Only you have to exercise the option accept, reject or pending. When accept option is exercised, the ITC shall travel to GSTR2B. When pending option is exercised, the invoice will be kept pending and shall be carried forward to the next tax period, and it will be created to GSTR2B when you will exercise accept option. In case of rejection, the ITC will not be traveled to GSTR2B. Further, there is no binding force on submission of IMS. It is purely voluntarily. If any taxpayer does not submit IMS, then the invoices shall automatically goes to GSTR2B, and after that it will be created to GSTR3B. I hope that you have understood the topic. If you or anyone has any confusion, or if you or anyone wants to give suggestion, please write in the description box. Further, if anyone wants to take GST TDS income tax training with us, please write for the prospectus at the WhatsApp number given in the description box. Thanks for watching.